and welcome. Meet me at the top of the mat or the middle here. Feet hip width apart, palms shining forward in mountain pose. Just taking a few breaths to arrive here on your mat in this current moment. On your next breath in, you're going to reach the arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, bring them down. Bend the knees, reach the arms up, straighten. Exhale, back down. One more time, breathe it in. As you exhale, bend the elbows, cactus arms, opening the chest, looking forward, belly in. Slowly bring the palms behind the back, interlace the fingers, and open the chest once more. Still engaging the core. And gently bend the knees and fold over the legs, reaching those palms up and away. Relax the head completely, bend the knees deeply. On your next inhale, find a half lift to release the grasp. Mindfully fold. Look forward, plant the palms, and step the feet back into downward facing dog, pedaling through the feet. Creating length through the spine, pulling the core in, plant both feet now. Yawn the right leg all the way up, bending the knees, stacking the hips, and rolling out the ankle. And then begin taking 3 circles in one direction with the knee to open up the hip. Breathing all the while and then switching directions. Straighten through the leg, inhale. Exhale, pull the knee into the chest, plant it on the floor, and find your low lunge. You can keep the back knee up or down, it's up to you. Creating length and stability, and when you feel ready, reaching the arms all the way up to the sky. Make sure that front knee is over the ankle and not past it. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, left hand goes forward, right hand goes back, twisting to your right. Breathe it in once more, reach the arms back up, come back to center. Exhale, palms down on either side of the foot. Take a half step up with the back foot, straightening through the legs. Inhaling, lengthening through the spine. Exhale, fold over the front leg. Pyramid pose. Gently bend through the front leg and step back into downward facing dog. If you'd like to take your vinyasa, you can here. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower to the floor. Inhale, cobra, baby cobra. Exhale, lower, and press yourself back into downward facing dog. And moving on to the other side, reaching that left leg up and back, stacking the hips, rolling out the ankle. And taking those knee circles, 3 in one direction. And then switching. Breathe it in, straightening through the leg. Exhale, pull the knee into the chest. Step it through, low lunge. Creating your foundation. Rolling the shoulders back, pulling the belly in. Setting your base, and when you're ready, anchoring down to rise, reaching the arms up to the sky. Couple breaths, hip points pointing forward. Breathe it in, find length. As you exhale, twisting over to the left. Opening up. Staying nice and strong in your foundation. Breathe it in once more. Reach the arms back up. Come back to center. Exhale, palms down on either side of the foot. Bringing that back foot up just a little bit, straightening through the legs for pyramid. And flowing with your breath here. Finding what feels good. Finding your flow. One more breath. Gently bend through the front leg. And step it back into your downward facing dog. Finding your flow, inhale plank. Exhale lower. Inhale cobra or up dog. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Coming back into our plank pose. Getting ready for side plank on the right side. So rolling on to the right side of the right foot. Reaching the arm up to the sky. You can stay here. Or bring that left leg and foot in front of us. So we'll inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull through and down. Inhale up. Pull through underneath. Just to get a little core action here. One more time. Carefully turn yourself to face the front of the mat. And step back into downward facing dog. Taking your flow, completely optional, or you can stay in down dog. Just flowing with your breath. Come back to your plank. Rolling onto your left side now. Pull the belly in. Reach the arm up. Taking whichever variation you would like. And when you feel ready, reaching up as you breathe in. And pulling underneath and through as you breathe out. Being gentle with the body, but challenging yourself. Once more. Carefully turning the feet and the torso back to face the floor. Finding down dog or going straight into plank and into your vinyasa. Meeting in down dog, carefully bring the knees to the floor, knees under hips here, wrists under shoulders, and take a few cat-cows. Breathing it in, opening through the heart. Breathing it out, pulling the belly up to the sky. Feel free to take any variation that you would like. Do some circles with the hips or the torso, the ribs here. Take one last round and we'll meet in downward facing dog. When you feel ready, stepping to the top of the mat, feet hip width apart, bending the knees, holding on to opposite elbows and just folding over the legs. On your next inhale, find half lift. As you exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, reaching the arms all the way up, palms meet down at heart center. Breathe it out, bring the toes together, knees together, sitting the booty back here into chair pose. Really squeezing everything in and taking whatever variation with the arms you would like, reaching them up, keeping them at heart center. Begin to put your weight into the right leg, right foot, so that you may lift the left foot off the ground, knees still together. Gently straighten through both legs, finding warrior 3. Hip points pointing towards the floor, flexing through the back foot. Yeah, I kind of lost balance here, so you can hold on to something if you need to. And gently, we're going to step back into warrior 2. Bending through that front knee, straightening through the back leg. Finding that heel to arch alignment, reaching the arms out. Finding strength, bending deeply. Feeling good. Take a nice deep breath in. Reach the front arm forward, up and back. Reverse warrior. Breathing it out. Coming forward now into side angle. Reaching that left arm up and over. Carefully inhaling back to center. Exhale, cartwheel the arms down, step the front foot back, plank pose, taking your vinyasa or going straight to downward facing dog. Stepping back up to the top of the mat when you're ready, folding over the legs, breathing. Take a nice breath in, flat back, exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up, rise. Exhale, palms together at heart center, feet together, knees together, sitting those hips back for another chair pose. Getting ready for the other side, finding your variation where you feel strong and stable, shifting your weight over to the left foot to bring the right foot to hover. Gently straighten through both legs, finding warrior 3. Creating this T shape with the body, spinning that pinky toe down, squeezing everything up and in, and carefully stepping back, opening into warrior 2, reaching the arms out, expanding. Inhale, reaching that front arm forward, up and back. Reverse warrior, opening through your side. And letting that go, coming down and forward into side angle, opening through the right side. Carefully coming back up. Cartwheeling the palms down, stepping back. Take your flow or meet us in downward facing dog. Take a nice deep breath here in down dog. Carefully lower the knees to the floor, making your way onto your seat. Really take your time. We'll bring the left leg over the right here, pulling that knee and leg into the chest with the right arm, reaching the left hand back behind us, fingertips back behind us, to twist. Only going as far as feels good. Both sits bones on the floor here. Take a nice deep breath in. And coming back to center as you exhale, bringing both knees to stack now if you can. Bringing the feet close to the hips here. Inhaling, reaching the arms up. Exhale, reach them down just a couple times. On to your next exhale, folding over the legs. Placing the hands where it feels good. Relaxing the forehead down and breathing. Allow yourself to be comfortable but stretching, so you shouldn't feel any pain. Roll through the spine to come back up. Bring that left leg out to the side now, flexing through the foot. The right foot coming into the groin. Inhale, reaching the right arm up and over to stretch the side body and stretch the back of that left leg. Being gentle, moving the torso around where is needed. Carefully come back up. We'll switch sides. So left foot on the bottom, right on top, pulling that knee and leg into the body. And bringing those right fingertips back behind you, twisting Inhaling, lengthening. Exhale, pulling the belly in and twisting even deeper. Be gentle with your neck and your back here. Take one more breath in. As you exhale back to center, stacking the knees, bringing those feet closer to the hips. Making sure you feel nice and strong and both sits bones are on the floor. When you're ready, inhaling, arms reach up. Exhale, rain them down. Just a couple times. Once more. And exhale, fold over the legs. Shoulders away from the ears. Breathing deeply. Carefully roll through the spine to come back up. Reaching that right foot out wide, flexing through the foot. Inhale, left arm reaches up and over to the side. Stretching as far as feels good. Breathing deeply into the stretch, into your body, trusting that your breath knows where to go. Moving the torso and the arms as needed. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, away from the ears. One more deep breath in. Exhale, rise back to center. Bringing the soles of the feet together now. Keeping them as close or as far away as feels good right now, just to open up the hips. I'm going to roll through the neck a little bit, so feel free to join me. When you feel ready, inhale, find length through that spine, and gently fold. Not forcing the knees or the hips to do anything here. We're just allowing the stretch to be what it is. Gently roll through the spine to come on up. Crossing through the legs here. And taking some circles with the torso. Holding onto the knees to help you really make this as dramatic as feels good. And when you're ready, just switching directions. Roll those shoulders back. Find a nice long spine. Bring the index finger and thumb together, resting on the knees and thighs, closing the eyes and just settling in, allowing everything to integrate. Begin to bring the palms together in front of the heart. Thumbs touching the chest, bowing the head towards the fingertips. Giving yourself thanks and love. Breathing love in and breathing love out. Bringing those thumbs to the third eye now, rising and bowing if you choose. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Let me know how it went. I'm sending you all the love in the world. See you in another video.